to thank them for my college experience. It wouldn't be the same without them, really. It would just be just classes, and it's not. It's so much more with friends.
College is stressful enough, and so like having friends with you that are in the same boat just makes it a lot easier.
Thank you for letting me join in on movie night that first night in McCandless.
To be on the same page about how much to go out and how much to stay in
we
and
have
watch
the same
Disney
amount of
movies.
Yeah, the same amount of introvertedness versus extrovertedness.
Feeding me, giving me snacks.
Always being that support in times of stress.
Just for being there whenever I need them.
And being there when I needed them.
Thanks for always being there and pulling me through the hard times.
Just sticking with me.
Probably just making me a better person.
Helping me become the person I am today.
They've been my family, and that's what I want to thank them.